Beauties, Dee being here. How are you doing today? Today is episode 10D for DUCKmas. We are having a DUCKmas video today. We have 3 left to finish out the series, and then we are going to be done with the DUCKmas, and then we have one more Coachmas. I think that by the time this goes up, you should have already seen the last miscellaneous mess. But who knows? It's chaos mess over here all the time, so who knows? We are going to have unboxings until January the 5th, and that January the 6th is the Epiphany, and we haven't decided yet and what we're going to do, if we're going to do anything, if we're just going to rest and enjoy that celebration, or if we are going to do something that specific day. We will see and find out. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, if you're curious to see what today's DUCKmas unfolds, then come on back and let's get started. Boy, that was a long intro, wasn't it? I hope I was able to cut it down a little bit. I'm feeling a little chatty, but I am tired. Today it's okay, it's only midnight today. It's 12:26, and this is December the 31st in my metaverse. This is gonna go up sometime after January the 1st, so you're gonna be seeing this. I needed to get this done before the New Year's Eve, which it's the 31st, so it's officially New Year's Eve. But let's get into it, okay? Let's just get into it. This right here is what we're going to be unboxing, and I'm pretty sure that I know what's in here. But we will see for sure. This is from eBay. I purchased this from eBay. It was in my eBay pile. Yes, okay. And, ooh, is this a card or is it a card? Yeah, okay. Well, let me take this off and I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, ready? Ta-da! It is a satchel. Of course, one of my favorite silhouettes. It's a satchel, a barrel satchel with Dooney. I purchased this back in July 17, 2025 off of eBay. And I thought, okay, I like this. Wouldn't it be neat to have this in a nylon? So I went looking, and there is one, and I found it. It is called, the listing says that it is just a tan nylon with vaqueta leather, vaqueta leather. And it's accented like a small doctor's bag is what they're saying. So this right here is a note from the seller. Let's see what they say. The seller says, "Hi, Bean Beauty." That's me. "Thank you for your purchase. Come and visit my closet again sometime for great items. I want it closet at eBay. I want it closet at eBay." 7/17/25 is when she packed it up and shipped it. So I thought this was really neat. So I'm not getting really much information on the websites about this, but here is this little brown duck. They kind of brought this back in one of the new nylon lines that they released last year, which I'm not too fond of it, because I'm not fond of it's this little embroidery, which I like the embroidery duck, but they're putting this on this long tag. Like the tag to me reminds me like the tags they put on clothes, and then you take it off. You're supposed to take it off, you know, that has the size and stuff. I can't get past that. So I haven't purchased anything from that. Even when they had some really good sales, I'm just not a fan. Then it has this 1975 luggage tag. Luggage tag. Luggage tag. But wait till you see. Oh, here, let me show you around first. Okay, ready? Here's the front. Here's the side. It needs more stuffing. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here is the bottom. No feet. Here is the top, and here is the zipper. When I was looking on, there's the zipper. Wait a minute, y'all. Oh, look, there's something in here. Oh, they put in just a little pouch from Ipsy. Just a little Ipsy pouch as a little extra. Alrighty. So look, can you see that pop? That pop of neon pink? Let me take all this stuff out. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty on the inside. So it does have the little dog leash. It's the older one. So these, when I did the Google search, and yes, I am old, and the Google search said that they are thinking that this was produced in the late 90s, the late 80s, early 90s. And they said it's most likely made in the USA. And I don't know, I'm going to check the tag in a second. But these right here, it's the old fashioned where it's the leather, it's all leather, and you kind of take it off there. So that is an indicator of it being an older bag. Here is the label here. Here is the inside. It has a zipper pocket. It's a really deep pocket. Do I have my cell phone? I do. Okay. So, oh, so it's wide enough that where my iPhone 14 Pro Max can go in there horizontally. And then, you know, not all, it's not deep enough to go all the way down. There is a phone pocket in the front of the old-fashioned Nokia phones back in the day right there. So I use it as tissue. And look at this. Let's pull the lining out. Look at that lining. I mean, it's like a hot fuchsia pink. So let's look at the tag. Here is the tag right there. Now, it's, yeah, I don't think, yeah, this particular one is not made in the USA. Made in China. So this was already, the production was already headed out to China by the time this was made. So now I have this nylon bag as a go-to for the rainy season, and we're coming up upon our rainy season for the winter. Usually in January, mid-January, February, it starts to rain, like a lot. It's like always on my birthday was always, okay, is it going to be rain? Is it going to be cold? We never knew. I was glad to find this and get this open. It's got a really pretty patina. I'm not sure that, I think I would gather that this is the color of the tan, the dark tan, the British tan maybe. I would worry about this leather getting messed up if it rained, but at least I wouldn't have to worry about the body. But you know, sometimes you have to have a beater bag. This was like $50 or something. Let's see, $56.97, then the rest of it was tax and shipping and all that kind of stuff. So for $50 I can have this as a beater bag. And I love the nylon, and I do like this little ducky. It's such a pretty little duck. Alright, Beanbeauties, we're gonna head over to our advent calendar and see if we can fix that mess of our advent calendar. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed the bag. We're here for advent calendar, and we're gonna go for this one is the hand sanitizer. I did give away several in stockings over Christmas, so the ones that are left will probably be for me. Hopefully there's some ones that I like that are left. I have 3 episodes left to record on DUCKmas, and I have 3 of these left. So this came out right. Nothing else did. So right here we have the, oh, strawberry pound cake. Oh, it smells strawberry. Strawberry. Okay. This is what it looks like. I gotta keep my hands anyway from the opening that up. Ooh, it's strawberry. It has of the pound cake. Yeah, it has like that strawberry shortcake kind of scent. Is what it just smells like to me. Yeah, it's a good one. Okay, the DUCKmas. We are like super behind. I know we started behind, so maybe we started about a week. Did we start 2 weeks into it? I don't know. I'll have to go back and look. But we have 15 days. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 days. So that means we have 3 videos left. So 5 duckies per video. So let's do this quick. Okay, so we're doing day 10. All right, let's cheat. Since this is already halfway done, we're going to cheat. Shh, don't tell. this is the wreath, a wreath. It's day 10 is a Christmas wreath. That is so cute. And day 11, what is he? A dinosaur duck? He's cute. I guess he's a dinosaur duck, maybe? I don't know. These are turning out much better than I thought. Thank you, Amazon, for sending me that email and tempting me. And here's a court jester, a clown, a something duck. So we have 2 more, 13 and 14. I have to open it this regular. Oh, there. It's a mess in here. My husband, he came in, I needed help, and he says, you need to clean that up before you fall. And I said, yeah, I do. Oh, this is a reindeer one. It's a little round reindeer duck. That is so cute. And last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He is I don't know what he is. A bear duck? I don't know. Y'all tell me. I don't know. He's cute. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by. I'm sorry if I feel like my energy is a little low. I'm not feeling well. It just got cold. We had a cold front, got down to the 40s. I was watching Jackie's live, and she was talking about how the weather, it was really affecting her knees. And I said, I know. She has osteoarthritis. I have rheumatoid arthritis, and they are different, but you still feel some of the same things. And I texted her because I told her I'm lurking, but I told her later that night, I said, girl, I said, I get it. My RA doctor always says, okay, buckle up. The weather is going to be bad. You know that it's going to change. It's going to affect your body, and the information is going to come on. So make sure and do what you need to do. So pull out them heating pads and all that kind of stuff, which is what I did. But I'm a little bit, you probably can tell. So I'm so sorry. I've got 2 more to film of the DUCKmas, so hopefully I can pep it up. I can pep it up. All righty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much for coming by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and throw me some ducks. I can't think of anything else, so let me know if you made it to the end. And if you have actually, any of you Dooney lovers out there, if you have a Dooney barrel satchel and the nylon like this, I haven't seen anybody. I mean, you know, I've only been around for 3 years, so but I was looking on for some reviews or to see if there was anything, and I didn't find anything. And this was really only one of about 3 that I found, and this was the best shape. The other ones were pretty beat up. So this is like in really, really good shape. So I'm anxious to and excited to use her. All right, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye.